What is this?
Yamaha 180cc Bonanza.
Bonanza, yeah?
Yeah. 1967.
Yeah.
This is the CS5
CS5. CS5.
two-stroke, 200cc.
Yes.
Yeah, beautiful.
Wow.
And that's a CS3, 1971.
1971, that one truck.
Two-stroke, yeah.
Two-stroke. Yamaha.
In the back, that's the Kawasaki H1B. 1972, two-stroke, 500cc, three-cylinder, air-cooled.
Ah, so I just
These are special. These.
This one?
This one and this one. It's very.
Oh, this
It's
one.
more expensive than the one you were on at.
Wow, so very nice. It's a 500cc
Yeah,
Kawasaki.
It's three-cylinder, air-cooled, two-stroke.
Two-stroke.
They used it in drag racing.
Yes. Ah,
Very, very fast.
very fast.
Yeah.
It's they're gonna use it for racing.
Yeah.
Oh,
This also.
so this one also. Wow.
1972.
This is 1972. It's 750. All right. So very nice bike. Wow.
Yeah.
It's a Kawasaki 1972.
And the Agusta Italian. Beautiful bike.
Wow. There's another bike also. And there's another bike, Agusta.
And the Agusta.
Wow.
And yeah, this is normally how it looks.
Yes.
Beautiful.
It's 350cc.
Great sound from 1977.
1977. This one is bike, the old one bike, right?
1969.
Wow.
Yeah,
This
beautiful.
one is 1969. There's a lot of big bike here. This
Great.
one. Sorry.
If you look at this,
Wow. Very nice. Look. It is Agusta 1969.
69.
This one.
Yeah.
Oh. Wow. Wow. It's the Ducati. Oh.
250, 1971.
Oh. 1971.
250cc Scrambler. Yeah. And that's a two-stroke Yamaha 350 from 1990.
1990.
They used to race on it on circuit. These.
Wow.
Very powerful bike.
Powerful bike. It's 350.
This is a racer. It's a Honda. It's a Rickman frame.
Wow.
It is lightweight,
Yeah.
completely built for racing, and it's a 750 Honda from 1972.
1972 this one. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. I just wanna do this vlog. I'm sorry. I just want to show my
no
colleague.
problem. This is also special. This is the Moto Guzzi.
Oh, the Moto.
1976.
This one is 1976.
Yeah. Moto Guzzi 750 S3.
750 is the tingnan mo guys. Napakaganda.
Very rare.
There's a lot of old bikes here.
Yeah.
It's this one is 750cc.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is 1976.
Oh, the old one bike. This one is
Two-stroke.
the Honda is 1976.
Yeah, two-stroke.
Oh my god. There's a lot. I love that bike.
Yeah, beautiful.
So beautiful. 1976 250 MT. So yan. This one the old bike. Wow. Oh. Alto. I think it's a Yamaha, right?
Yeah. A very rare bike. You never see one again. This one I sold. The Harley is going to Germany.
This one.
This one is going to Portugal.
This one is
Portugal is from 1975.
1975.
And that one is the only 500 made Yamaha. XS 1100
Wow.
from 1979, and it's going to Austria.
This one 1979.
Yeah.
There's this bike is going for Austria.
Yeah.
Wow. So nice. And this one
This is new, eh?
I love this bike.
Yeah,
Whew. Alright, I already have it soon. And this is the one of the Z1000. So
Yeah.
guys, so Kapitan, meron na ng Z1000, right?
Yes.
Oh, This is the old one, C1000. But
1977.
this one is 1977. All right. Wow, so very nice bike.
Fast bike.
Yes.
Really.
My client here is very nice, and he. Wow.
Yeah.
So that's all.
It's my hobby.
Oh, that one is the Harley Davidson.
Yeah. This afternoon I'm going to buy another one, probably.
Oh,
Suzuki GS 750 from 1970. This one is Saturday I'm going to pick it up.
could I taste here? Can I ride? Sorry.
Yeah?
Could I sit in here?
Yeah, no problem.
And if you take a picture here?
Yeah?
Yeah. Harley Davidson.
Wait.
I have a camera here.
I'll make some. This is bad. Look, I think it's okay.
Yeah, it's
Look at it. It's okay on the
Yo.
some new.
yes.
Perfect. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Oh, I love this bike so much.
Yeah, that's nice.
Woo! See.
And then my CBX outside the 6-cylinder. That's.
Woo! Woo! This is Yamaha R1. So, ilalabas ko na ito. But when you use this one, when you travel and long, it's
Yeah.
I think you feel pain
Yeah. It's.
here and
Yeah. You can better ride this.
yeah.
Easy.
Because this one is a sports bike for racing. So soon. Right. So thank you so much. This one, the old one bike, they have also in the
Just for you.
Philippines.
This is this is a Honda. It's
They have also 50cc, I think.
50cc, yeah.
This one is 50cc. But this bike is the old one bike. I think it's 19. I don't know.
Not exactly.
No, but this one is the old one bike.
And the most beautiful one is outside.
Wow. Yeah, and I'm gonna show you his motorbike. What is your name, sir?
William.
So
Fire.
this is the owner of this bike. This one.
And the other ones also. My bike.
Whew.
Here, look at this.
Yeah, this is his bike.
6 cylinder.
Oh my God.
This is special.
So it's a 6-cylinder, guys.
You look back.
So
Engine. Yeah.
yeah.
You didn't notice it.
Wow.
You look at the back and then you look at the engine.
Oh, see guys. So
Right.
yes. So
This is really. If I can find another one, it's so very special.
this is your own.
Yeah.
And like, so very nice. I love also the whole ride bike. So see guys, this is the good, very nice. See, this is a 6-cylinder Honda Super Sport.
CB 1000Z 1980.
1980.
Yeah. It's
So this was his
real
1980.
collector's item.
Oh, so very nice bike. See guys. Whew, I love that bike.
This is the sound is like a Formula 1 car.
I think
Yeah. When you I have a video from this on YouTube. You look it up when it's.
You have a YouTube also? Do you have a YouTube channel? YouTube?
Yeah, no, YouTube. Yeah, I have a YouTube channel. If you in between that, it sounds like a film you want.
Could you give me your YouTube channel? Because
Yeah.
I want to.
Maybe you have Instagram.
No.
Oh.
I don't have.
YouTube channel. I'll give you